Shema everyone, my name is Joshua and welcome to the Ballet Cymru online tutorials day 15 class 1 pirouettes. Please make sure you read our full disclaimer which you can find on any Ballet Cymru platform before attempting any of these videos. Today I'll be showing you a bigger pirouette exercise, but you need to make sure you are completely warm because this is a bit more technically advanced, so please make sure you've been following Ballet Cymru's online tutorials from day 1 to 15, especially Joe's pirouette exercise from day 14. Which is a bit of a base for what we're going to be doing today. The ideal footwear for today is socks, ballet shoes, or barefoot, whatever you feel most comfortable in. I had to demonstrate it in shoes due to the location I had to film it, but don't worry about that. Sure, for this exercise you find an open space with a smooth floor with no bumps or any obstacles in the way which could hurt you or others. If the exercise is a bit too technically advanced, don't worry, just add a releve when you need to, or when you extend your leg out. Doesn't need to be 90, doesn't need to be 45, put it on the floor if you have to. Hey guys, I'm outside because unfortunately I cannot demonstrate it inside because my apartment's a bit too small and I would either hurt my lovely mother, kill my cat, or break a TV. So for the sake of demonstrating I'll have to do it outside, but please, if you can, do it in a safe environment with a smooth floor where you cannot hurt anything or anyone. So, let's begin. Please make sure you've watched Joe's video where he shows you how to do the smaller version of the pirouettes and also where he demonstrates some great tips which will help you do them. We're going to start in a fifth position. We're going to turn with our arms up here, into a tombe, and we're either going to do a quarter turn, so just going up into releve, or doing a full pirouette depending on how you feel. Finishing an arabesque, opening 5, doing a pirouette 6, finishing 7, closing 8. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So 1, 2, quarter turn, or a full pirouette, up to you, finishing arabesque, opening 5, pirouette 6, finishing in 4, 7, and 8. Now we're going to do a la seconde with your foot, closing to 5th, a pirouette, finishing in écarté, closing, same thing to the other side, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to open again on 4, 1, take a bit more time, make sure you're really stable on your legs, the weight's well on that front leg, 2, 3, 4, we're going to pirouette into an arabesque and just close. 7, 8. 8, and we're going to open 1, 2, quarter or a full, arabesque. We're going to tendu, and we're going to pirouette. Bless you, person upstairs. 2. Pirouette, or a quarter, open, we're going to pirouette, tendu, now we're going to a la seconde, finishing écarté, closing, tendu, now we're going to tendu, much bigger preparation, tendu, and close. So we're going to do just a bit of a quick shakeout, take your time, and then we're going to start to the left. 8, and we're going to open on 1, 1, 2, quarter or a full, finishing an arabesque, turned into the side, now full. Same thing to the side. Quarter or a full, opening to the side, another pirouette. Now, outside, finishing it. Tendu. Now, much longer preparation, making sure all your weight is on this front leg, full pirouette, hopefully no hops, tenduing, and closing. Thank you guys very much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Please make sure to follow us on our social media if you do not already. See you next time, guys.